Super Friends, welcome back, and today I am making leftover fried rice. So, I am finally able to get myself out of bed. It is a big challenge on a Sunday morning where it's just great. The weather's great, I would love to sleep in, but I must go on with life and still try to be productive somehow. So I woke up, washed my face, and that's basically it. I am barefaced. I don't have makeup. I don't have anything on my hair. It's still all over the place, and it looks like absolute crap. My next hurdle is, what do I make for lunch? So I have a bunch of leftovers. This is not your
authentic fried rice or
your authentic
garlic fried rice.
So don't judge me for this non-authentic Asian dish. It is not. It is literally
the leftover fried rice.
So these are my weapons of choice for the day. And because I'm lazy, I always use minced garlic in a bottle because I don't want to mincy the garlicky. So I don't know how I'm going to record this, so I guess I'm just going to put it here and see what happens. Well, there you go. I guess it works. You just stare at it and gets diced. Poof. Alright, let's do the same thing with the bacon. This is a lot of bacon, but let's see if this goes poof. Poof! It's done. Like magic. Like, I think the knives just did it themselves. Oh, you guys know it's not true. Anyways, let's put this all together now. Can you even see it? Disaster averted, guys. Averted. Oh god, abort. So, we're gonna start with my bazillion bacon. So this is cherry smoked bacon that we got from Newski's. Newski's is I believe it's a local meat processing company. They have their different meat products. They have bacon, sausages, brats, and all that good stuff. Sorry guys, had to cut off a little bit there. So, I know that every year they would have this meat sale where they sell stuff in bulk and really discounted, and they're good stuff. It's not. The best thing about leftover fried rice, you can put whatever you want. Doesn't matter. I mean, who cares? I'm gonna put there some garlic, people. Put the tiny onion that magically got minced earlier, people. Oh, that sounds terrible. And put the leftover ground beef. Put that hamburger in there. So, this hamburger is not really leftover. I had to cook a whole pound, I believe. Because it's what's in the package. Leftover rice from last night. Can you believe that? Yes, I make a lot of rice because you'll never know. I don't make enough. And then all of a sudden, I need more. And then I make a lot, and this happens. There you go, guys. It's almost done. I think it just needs a little bit of pepper. And we're all set. And here is our final results. I hope you enjoyed my really impromptu cooking video. That doesn't really make sense. But anyway, I showed you what I'm going to have for lunch today. See you guys next time.